of the normal people have abnormal beats in their heart. So usually we don't recognize that we have the abnormal beats. But some people get really troubled by these abnormal beats. In that they may have palpitation, they may have giddiness, and sometimes they may even fall down. If we don't treat these abnormal beats, sometimes the heart can become weak and then it can result in heart failure. So what we do is, for those patients with symptoms, for those patients who are really troubled by these ectopics, we take them for a procedure called radiofrequency ablation of these ectopics. So the new thing that we have done now is we have used a 3D mapping system with an electronic balloon implantation. Not actually implantation, we use the balloon to map the ectopic beat exactly, and then we try to ablate the ectopics so that the ventricular ectopics or the abnormal beats will not come back again without any medication for the rest of the life of the patient. So this is a wonderful procedure for those people with abnormal beats and palpitations together. Any radiofrequency ablation will have a few side effects, but with the 3D mapping we can actually cut down those side effects because we are burning where we exactly need to. We are using the radiofrequency ablation to burn the tissue in the exactly possible position from which the abnormal beat is coming. So the side effects are actually less with this 3D mapping, and the success rate is higher, and the patient will be symptom free for his entire life. Ectopics can occur at any age, but usually they occur in the later part of the life. So as the patient ages, the more the ectopics can come. But even after heart attacks also, the ectopics can come quite a lot. But nowadays, many people who are young are showing the signs of the ectopics, and they are feeling the symptoms of ectopics, in that they are feeling the palpitation, for whom when we use the medication, many times they are developing some side effects to these medications. So radiofrequency ablation is a one-shot therapy for these people without actually using the medication for their entire life. With this treatment, they can be completely free of symptoms.